Better late than never. This is the review of the LEGO Star Wars kit 75395. This is the 2024 Advent calendar, and we're going to show you what you would have got if you followed this day by day. Hi guys, Ralph here, and I thought of doing a full Advent calendar video per day. I quite like Star Wars, and I'll go through bits and bats, and it's nice to just open one on its own without any hassles of making videos and stuff. I did do an Advent calendar a few years ago, and I basically did everything, I think, in one hit, which I've recorded and cut into segments and released daily, but it wasn't really that good. It was electronics one from Haynes, but we'll ignore that one. So here's a review of what you get. This is what you would have got on the days. I'll open them day by day. You have a nice little artwork on the front, which will show you a few things what you're getting. So artwork on the side, artwork on the side, artwork on the side, and the back has a Christmas tree with even more showing. Not all the back, because the back is the landscape part. So here is what you would get. You don't get a tree, you don't get a bow, but 24 gifts for the year. So let's get open on the back. If anything's broken, then fine. So you open up to, that's one on here anyway. You don't get one of those guns, even though it's a bauble. So let's start off with number one. Remember, it's down here. Nice little instructions. You start off with an X-Wing. Nice little miniature X-Wing, and these wings do fold up. Does look pretty good. There's no way you can fit a figure in there, but there's X-Wing for day one, so 1st of December. If you want to do a late Advent calendar and get one yourself and start off the 1st of January, off you go. They're on sale wherever. Small little guns on the side, so and instructions over here how to do it. It's easy enough to figure out anyway, but you always, weirdly enough, I don't understand about LEGO, they're a massive company, but they always give spare parts away. Either that or the machine that drops the parts in doesn't do that well. So there's the first. You get an X-Wing. Close that back up. Where is the second? I've probably just gone over it. Second in the middle there. So you get, these are all put in bags, and they are, you assemble them yourself. You've got a Princess Leia with a pink coffee cup. You also got turn-roundable head. She can look angry, or she can look a little bit content in her Christmas jumper with the AT-AT, or the AT-AT. White trousers, print on the back as well, which is also pretty cool. So yes, Princess Leia with a cup of coffee. Third, over here on the top right, you get a nice little TIE fighter. I mean, yeah, these are tiny little models. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know what they are. They're not. They're all right to display as a possible little, yeah, but for little kids maybe, but maybe not, because they're small pieces. As long as you watch them fly pew-pewing around, and then they don't go om nom 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 nom. So third is an interesting little TIE fighter. Cool, cool. Fourth, December the 4th, over here again. So we ended up with, and I'm actually hoping that all these are still in the right place. You have a battle droid. You have one of the big armoured battle droids. Quite easy to build, 4 pieces. Legs are in one go because they don't walk, but the arms move. So cool, cool, nice little battle droid. Nice. Fifth. Right in the middle there, we have the fifth. We have an AT-AT. So we actually do have movable legs, all 4, not just 2 being stuck together and it just kind of bunny hops. But yeah, it's a nice enough little kit what they've constructed for it, for a tiny one. Really nice indeed. The head actually moves as well. Doesn't go side to side, but yes, this is tiny Lego pieces we're talking. So let's get on to the 6th now. 6th we have in here, and we have one of my favourite ships. This looks to me like a Y-Wing. So obviously no pilot inside there, droid at the back, looking huge. So it is good interpretation on this, to be honest, for the Y-Wing. So pretty cool indeed. A lot of yellow, grey and white. Cool as anything. So we'll go for the next one, which is the 7th, 7th, down on the bottom left. We have, which is actually another one of my favourites. This is the, when you're playing the game, Star Wars Lego, these are the, oh, I forgot what you call them now. I think it's the you collect them for the mini kits. It's like a lot of these, they just kind of gently spin around. Didn't realise they would actually do a physical version instead of just what's in the game. It's just like a barrel and top, bottom, and then these hook pieces. And yeah, it's really cool. And they got a game part into Star Wars. Cool. Well, it's only the advent calendar, obviously. But very cool indeed. Number 8 over here. And we have, I can get this out. This is Jabba's sail barge, a really tiny miniature version of Jabba's sail barge from Return of the Jedi. Very, very cool. Now, I've got a funny feeling there's one or two of these that I will not know what they are, because I think I've got a funny feeling there's one of them I really don't know where it is. And the sails can move if you need to, but not really much. It's just like a big, massive land speeder, really. But yeah, cool. Not really to scale. Don't care. 9th. We have a Falcon. We have a Millennium Falcon with clear blue parts on the back. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's really nice. The dish pointing forward like it's supposed to, and not up or backwards or being rectangle. Cockpit on the side. Nice. Looks pretty simple anyway, and I could have done one of those pieces for another kit anyway. By the by, number 10 now. 10th is on the top left. And we have, that is Ahsoka. That's Ahsoka Tano, because you've got the white lightsabers. It's a pretty good model, this one. I think you've got, yes, you've got an angry face on the back. But I'm going to keep her with a happy enough sort of, I'm quite happy with my lightsabers. Ha ha. Yes, cool. Very cool. A lot of printing, side printing, on leg printing, back printing. Nice indeed. I mean, even the dandly things on they're made out of rubber instead of made out of hard plastic. So there's bits of movement on here. Cool. So, Ahsoka. Grown up Ahsoka. 11th now. 11th over here. Now, it's a Republic cruiser. One of the big ones from, Attack of the Clones. It wasn't Attack of the Clones, it was the other one, wasn't it? Yes. Big gunship. But it's not bad. It's very basic for what it is. But you wouldn't have done a Republic gunship this big for no reason at all. If you did the full size, oh yeah, no thanks. It's too big to display, really too big. But this is absolutely brilliant. You can have this in the background as a ship going past if you've got a flight display or something. Cool, very cool. 12th, halfway through, we have, I don't think it's the, I think it is Kylo Ren's cruiser. So it's not the what do you call it one? The Emperor's shuttle. Or Vader's shuttle. It's a smaller one. Unless it's from, is it from Rogue One? Put it in the comments if you know exactly which one this is. But if it was one from Return of the Jedi, it would have been a taller wing on the back instead of that. But still, pretty cool. Flies up, done. I think it was Kylo Ren's being black, wouldn't it? So I think it might be Krennic's from Rogue One, maybe. So that's 12, we're halfway through. 13th up here. We have another Ahsoka one. We have Ahsoka's Jedi ship. The T6, is it? So I'm actually looking for one of these to buy. Engine config on the back. Nice parts over here which just come round as extra parts of the wings. Very nice indeed. And obviously Ahsoka can't fit in, of course she can't. But that would be silly. Very nice, white and red. Bit of grey. Cool. So that's 13. Let's have a look for 14. Really, I've just ripped off the doors and know exactly where they are. Right, is this another Jedi shuttle? Or is this... This to me, it looks like one of them's the wrong way around. The points go forward into the middle. Yes. This to me looks like the V-wing. But in a stationary pose, but these kind of go back as well. I'm putting money on it's a V-wing. It doesn't tell you what it is, you just have to figure it out yourself. But there will be something somewhere, someone pointing exactly what this is. I think it's a V-wing. If it isn't a V-wing, put in the comments of what exactly this is. But I'm relatively certain it's a V-wing. So that's 14. 15's over here. We have a clone trooper. Very nice clone trooper. No markings on the arms or the sides, a bit on the back. Nice clone trooper with a gurn. Cool. And do we have? Yes, we do. Only one face, looking angry. Cool. Very nice. Blue and black and white clone trooper. See underneath there. 15 done. 16. It's right at the bottom again. Ow. Now, I think this is the Ghost. Yeah, that's the Ghost from Rebels. That's pretty basic enough. It's a, yeah, that sort of bulky shape in the middle, engines on the back. I assume that the Phantom on the back, but I doubt it. Turret there. There's a nice enough little ship. They're pretty good quick builds, these as well. Docking ports on the side. Cool as. 17 now over here. We have the complete set. We have Luke in his Christmas jumper. Do we have an extra face on the back? A little angry, so we'll keep him that way with a lightsaber. So cool as. He's got a, oh yeah, he's got the twin sons of Tatooine there, and he's got his Uncle Owen's ranch there. Side party better. Yes, nice, cool. 18. Where 18 at the top, where the moon is, we have, again, this might actually be the V-wing. So I think the one I had before wasn't. Yeah, this is definitely the V-wing. So I've got that one wrong from 15. So yeah, I did need to know what exactly that is. I think it's some extra character that I am not watching. It might be part of the mini adventures or something. But yeah, that's definitely the V-wing. 4 inches on the back. Bit blue. Nice and small. Cool. Cool. Okay. 18. We have 19 next. 19 is over here. I think, is this Yoda's Jedi shuttle? Jedi thing, yeah? With the green, I'm thinking. I'm saying that because I saw a model kit for it. I just don't like it. I just think it's just too... They're all either too similar, the bigger size kits, for the smaller ones. It's just like weird TIE fighters, but not TIE fighters. Well, either way, I think it's a Jedi ship, Jedi shuttle of sort. But like I said, with the green, I think it's Yoda's. Anyway, so we're up to 20. Anybody find out where 20 is? Down here. We have a guard. Is this one of the Snoke's guards? Because underneath the helmet, you haven't got a face. You're just red. So printing on the front and the back only. So yeah, he's like a, I wouldn't say Imperial Guard, he's more of a, yeah, Imperial or post-Imperial. I think they are actually after, aren't they? That weird flashy sort of spin around stick that Grievous guards had, but this is obviously not Grievous' guard. Cool, very quick, easy one to make. I don't think I've seen this in many of the kits, to be honest. So it's nice to see exclusives in these. 21, top up here. Now, this is not a ship. This goes that way. This is Vader's castle. So, kind of, you can't do anything with it, but yeah, okay. But it's just Vader's castle. That's the lava flow underneath when it's at Mustafar. So, yeah, okay, fair enough. A little bit of a meh sort of thing. Don't know why they'd put it on, but then, why not? Okay, all black with the lava. But you have a clear lava so you can actually see getting light through it. Makes it look better. 22, no. 22, no. 22 there. We have the Razor Crest from The Mandalorian. Pretty cool. That's not bad. I've got a bigger version of this. It is really cool. That is actually not bad, that. for the size. This is obviously for the size of it, trust me. Yeah. Nice little build. Can't get the yellow bit straight. I think it's my OCD. Yeah, nice enough. Little build for freebie. Cool. Okay, so then we stuck on the 23rd, which is up here. We have Luke's old land speeder. You got 3PO, you got Luke there in his hat. No R2 on the back. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty cool indeed. Some interesting pieces there to use for it. Yeah. And right to the end, the 24th, Christmas Eve, the final build, which is... Ta-da! Nope. Ta-da! Is this another Ahsoka ship? Because I think I'm struggling with this one. Is this the... I don't actually know what ship this is. So what I'm going to do is let you guys tell me. And, yeah, put it in the comments. If this is a red and white, it's got to be Ahsoka. Is it the one that the kind of... it flies that way-ish on? The Jedi big shuttle thing? If only it told you somewhere else what it was. It's not that one there. That's Ahsoka's one. That's from the series. But that one, I'm not quite sure, you know. Really, I'm not sure. So, you know what it is? Comment down below. And as usual with Lego, there's always a load of parts. I can't understand how a company continues to make a fortune by throwing parts away. But big thank you, Lego, for doing it. So you've been absolutely brilliant. So, not sponsored, I had to buy this myself. So yes, thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and consider being a Patreon. Help out the channel in whatever way you can. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.